People always say I don't show my eyes enough. There you go. All right, so this is gonna be a quick video, really short, but I want to do this for a reason. And I'm just leaving out of my bank, my business bank, Wells Fargo, and I'm leaving out of the branch here in where am I, Bedford, Texas. And sweet lady Pam, I'm up here getting some stuff to set up my new merchant account. And I was talking to the sweet lady Pam, and she has a little badge on that says, this year I'm saving for a car. Now I'm like, okay. So I'm inquisitive. I'm like, so you're saving for a car this year, Pam? And she's like, yeah. And I'm like, okay, that's cool. What kind of car do you want? And she was kind of like, I'm not sure. What kind of car do you suggest? Well, I was like, that wouldn't be my first question, Pam. My first question would be, how are you going to pay for this car? And I said, no disrespect, but your job as a teller, this job's not going to be necessary. It's going to be an irrelevant skill. It's going to be an irrelevant skill very, very quickly. And she said, I know. Now, this lady's just based on how she looked, her appearance, she's probably, I'm guessing, late 50s. And she was like, I know. She knew it. This wasn't news to her. Even she realizes that her job's not going to be there. It's just not going to be there. And it could be any day now. These banks, I remember probably 10 years ago, you go in the bank, there's 10 people moving around at one time. You go in a bank today, one person in line, because nobody's coming in, one person handling like the major issues in one of those little cubicles, and one teller at the front desk. Nobody in the drive-thru. Like, I'm like, oh my gosh, like it's probably not even going to be a year and they'll be talking about closing these banks. These companies, they're not crazy. They're looking and going, why are we paying for this real estate? Why are we doing it? Why are we paying these salaries? We can't even justify that. There's not enough transactions going on inside of a bank where it's necessary because everything was moved online. So it's only a matter of time. But anyway, she said that she understood that her job's not going to be there long. And I said, well, Pam, can I help you? Would it be okay if I coached you? And she said, sure. And I said, hand me a blank sheet of paper. And she did. And I took the pen, and here's what I wrote down. And I've done this for you. You already know. But to me, this is life-changing. And I said, Pam, here's what I'm going to write down. I'm going to write down ACL, my ACL formula. I said, I learned this by buying things the wrong way, using a paycheck from a job, losing my job, and losing everything. I learned the hard way. I ended up homeless. I said, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to use the ACL formula. Asset times cash flow equals lifestyle or liability, right? So whatever you want to purchase, it goes into this box. And I'm not talking about if you want to buy groceries. No, I'm talking about lifestyle purchases, right? House, car, vacation, etc. And I said, so let's put your car in the box, whatever that car is. And I said, here's the question. How are you going to pay for it? Normally, you would say paycheck. And I wrote the word paycheck down. And then I X'd it out. I said, all right, so you cannot use paycheck to pay for this. Now, because you understand that your job's not going to be here, right? She said, yes. Therefore, we cannot rely on the paycheck. Maybe the paycheck can get you the car, but it's not going to keep the car for you, right? You're just going to lose it. And she was shaking her head as she listened, and I don't know. Like I said, this lady's probably in her late 50s. I don't know if this registered with her. I left it with her. Hopefully it can help her. Let me know in the comments if you guys think it's going to help her or not. I don't know. So, but she was very nice, very receptive. And I said, you cannot use your paycheck. You have to use some type of asset. And I gave her an example of assets. Start a business, start a side hustle, get a vending machine, whatever. Just things that make money for you without you having to need a job. And I left it with her. And I said, here, just take this. And then I put a question mark under asset. And I said, you fill in the blank, whatever it is. Because we know your paycheck's not going to be there. It's not going to be there long enough to pay this car off. I doubt it. Hopefully it will be, but I seriously doubt it. I could be wrong, but I got a feeling I'm not. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Am I right? Am I wrong with the ACL formula? Let me know. See you guys on the next video. Peace.